Okay guys, I got a 2022 Ford F-150. I'm going to show you where the engine air filter is and how to replace it. First thing you're going to do is open the hood. So you're going to go to this air box and you're going to push that down, push this one down, pop it off like that. If you really want to, you can remove this just with a flathead screwdriver so you can pop this top part out, but you don't have to do that. That right there is the engine air filter. I'm going to link one in the description. Just remove it. Check it out. If it's dirty, you can spray it out with compressed air, or you can replace it if it's really bad. But then to put it back in, just set it back in there and make sure it's flush on all sides and not sticking out. And then go over here on the side, make sure these push back in. They have to go in all the way like that. And then these two pieces just snap back in like that. And that's how you do it. Hopefully that helped. And it's really easy to do, and it'll save you a good amount of money than having the dealership doing it. Thanks for watching.